how is Te Matatini going to protect the integrity of Te Arawa's reputation as hosts over these next 4 days?
Well, we are here as guests of Te Arawa, and it's the same for every Te Matatini, where the host, and we will support the tikanga, but the pōhiri is over and it's finished, and Te Arawa have handed the whole function to Te Matatini, and we will jointly run the Te Matatini Festival to make it the success that we anticipated it was, and I think it is going to be.
17 years ago, Te Arawa hosted the equivalent nationals here in Rotorua, made a profit of 390,000. Do you see that you will be making a profit over this 4 days? Have you forecasted the figures and stuff like that?
We have forecasted. Well, first of all, our whole emphasis was having a strong festival of excellence in Kapa Haka. And to do that, first of all, you have to have the people to put the Kapa Haka on. But there's three things that I think will make this festival and have made the others. And it comes back to the term Te Matatini, the faces. Now, this festival or this whakataitai is no good without Kapa Haka. So, we've got 41 Kapa Haka, the best in the world, coming here. So the Kapa Haka. Then you've got a group of judges who have been appointed through their rohe, through those Kapa Haka, because they see collectively that they have the expertise to judge the Kapa Haka. So you've got them. And then with each Kapa Haka, you've got all their whānau. Their whānau, their families, their friends, their children, who have all come to tautoko i ngā kaihaka, but more importantly, to tautoko Kapa Haka and Te Matatini.
Just quickly, Selwyn, can you confirm that Te Matatini, did they make a debt in Gisborne?
No.
And are you looking to recoup debts?
Te Matatini did not make a debt in Gisborne.
So if, say, post this event, will Te Matatini take responsibility if there is a debt?
Well, I can tell you there won't be.